Okay, let's face it, breast pumping is hard, time-consuming, and stressful. But what if it wasn't? What if you could get more milk for your baby in half the time? Imagine everything you could do, like schedule more meetings, have more mommy time, have more daddy time.
Have more daddy time.
What's up everyone? I just want to say thank you for all 14 people that watched my video yesterday. It makes me very proud actually, and I just want to say before I start this video is not sponsored by breast milk. I just want to take a look at some Kickstarter projects that are pretty interesting, and one of them is it's about breast milk. I do want to say this might be for 16 years and above, because you know it's kind of interesting. You'll see what I mean in the next 44 seconds.
We're gonna kick off this campaign with some genuine and hilarious kid opinions. First, we showed kids a breast pump and asked them what they think it is.
I put this milk into Caleb.
Who's Caleb?
My baby. Think about my answers. Milk poopy thing.
A milk poopy thing?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Put it in Henry's mouth. That's what a doctor does to you. It's when you're sick. I pump gas.
Okay guys, the first Kickstarter project I want to take a look at is called Nurture by imalac. Now, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but yeah. So essentially this is a half robot, half bra man-bear pig that milks you even better than all the other 23,000 breast milk products out there. Now, I must admit I wasn't a beta tester for this product, but it sure looks promising. They have already more than doubled the goal of $25,000 with 269 backers in total at the moment. It's supposed to like massage the breast to bring out more milk, but in a more fashionable and trendy way. In their video, they say you can even use this thing at work. Now, I'm not sure if I can agree with that 100%, in the sense that it still kind of looks weird to me, but hey, who am I? Now, all jokes aside though, I do understand that women are seriously bothered by this issue and are obviously looking for good solutions to pump that milk. So if you are one of these people, I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and support this Kickstarter project and receive your breasting bra pump thingy as fast as possible. Okay guys, so the next project is kind of cool. It's called MineKit, and basically it's a kit for building and programming your own robot to make it do whatever you want. If you love coding and or would love to create your own robot and make it do whatever you want, then this might actually be a good project to support. They offer amazing packages and have already reached more than half of the goal of $100,000. I think I might actually do a full video on this project since there is so much to talk about, but for now just look at their promo to get a basic idea about their project.
If you could build your own robot, what would it be? If you had all the robotics tools you needed, what would you create? This is MineKit. It's the first all-in-one robotics developer kit with the software and hardware to get started with robotics. MineKit has 3 core modules. The Cerebrum is a single-board computer where you control the robot's sensing and decision-making. The servo controller helps create and control movement. You can easily connect up to 20 servo motors simultaneously. MineKit's high-capacity battery is built specifically for robot functionality. Our operating system, MindOS, is purpose-built for coding robots. What can you create? MineKit features advanced capabilities like LiDAR SLAM, so it can map indoor space in real time. So if you want a robot that recognizes people and gives them a hug,
Okay, robot. Pass the salt.
one that that responds to commands. Pass the hot sauce. Or whatever kind of robot. You can make it happen. And those are just the basics. With our open source Mind SDK, you can develop your own skills. There's no ceiling on what you can create. MineKit. Can you robot?
And here we are, guys, the final project for this video, and definitely the most exciting one. The next project is called Opsbot Tail, the world's first auto-director AI camera. Now this is a project that I'm actually backing myself, since this might actually help in getting those more interesting shots and videos that include more movement. They actually managed to create a camera that can track and capture your movements in 4K resolution with 60 FPS. The thing that excites me the most about it is that the lenses are interchangeable, so that means that they are definitely taking their project to the next level. They have already reached more than 280k at this moment, but there are 18 more days to go, so get in fast. That's all I can say for now. Here's a promo clip to get a better idea about their project.
Filters. OBSBOT Tail will become your smart, AI-enabled cameraman who films your life seamlessly. OBSBOT Tail. Be your own director.
Hi guys, my name is Johnson, and I'm a partner here at Remotech. We created Opsbot Tail with our series of patent technologies, which are first time to be seen in the world. It opens up a new category in the imaging industry and allows anyone to be their own director without asking for help from anyone else or holding the camera and fixing the angles all the time. We believe cameras with new functions and forms will become an essential part in our daily self-expressing and communication. We're very excited for the possibility of revolutionizing the way how we record and make videos, as well as the way how we socialize. Our philosophy here at Opsbot is simple: to empower both amateurs and professionals to truly write on their creativity via visual format in a simpler and ultra-light way, and to record life and the world around to share and open dialogues across boundaries. Now, you don't need a bulky and complicated DSLR anymore. Also, unlike mobile phones and action cameras, Opsbot Tail is a smart, intuitive, powerful, and hand-free tool for anyone to be their own director. We hope you find it as seamless and powerful as we do. After 2 years of development of this product, we really hope you can support us and bring this fantastic product into your life.